Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the end-to-end encryptions in Messenger. So in here, I'm going to start by opening the Messenger app. And after you open the app, what you need to do is click on the three lines icon at the top left corner. Then go to the settings. And after that here, you can go to the privacy and safety. Now here you can see under the security there is this end-to-end encrypted chat, so click on that, and in here you can just click on the security alerts, manage security alerts, and here what you need to do is turn off this your devices or keys change. So just click on this and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.